Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. I got an exciting new series coming here. It's continuing on the series that we just finished up with the virtual car shows. But these car shows are going to be separated out into types of cars. And this week's video is going to be Baja bugs. So let's check it out, guys. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. It was a lot of fun. We got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember, guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one, guys.